Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. The Link chart is is currently still in this sort of sideways range. So really the market hasn't gone anywhere in the last few weeks. The market entered the current range around the 13th of April. This is when we dipped into the support region, which so far is holding nicely. That's essentially what we want. And then there has been a reaction to the support region, but only a three-wave corrective rally, another test of support, slightly higher low, and now another rally and a break above the trend line. That indicates that something is changing, or might be changing at least. So that's why we're watching this chart very, very closely at the moment. But the rally so far hasn't really had that upside, or hasn't really given us a very impulsive upside momentum. Okay, so at the moment, the structure is still basically, you could call that just a sideways consolidation here, and it might even turn into a messy triangle. So the levels from the last videos that we discussed are still relevant. I just want to make sure that it's clear that this could turn into a pretty boring sideways triangle consolidation. I don't really have enough waves for a triangle here. I'm just sketching it here, but I don't have much confidence that the market will respect this, because we only have two touch points up and below, so above and below. So it's not enough really for a reliable triangle, but just want to indicate that this is just a consolidation pattern at the moment, and we just need to wait for the market's true intentions, right? Important is that the support area did hold, and as long as this area here between 1280 and 690 is holding, we should see the price, and I zoom out a little bit, get in the next rally to around about $90 plus. I mean, if the bullish structure here is correct, and if we really had a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave move down, then this is the support region that should hold. And from here, a 3rd wave substantial rally should start. What I don't know is if the correction is already completed. I don't think so at the moment. The correction seems quite shallow and also short in duration compared to the initial increase that we've seen from the June 2023 low. Okay, so this is, yes, a potential 5-wave move up, but it took a long time. And to complete such a correction in a month, I don't know. Everything's possible, okay, but it doesn't really look right in terms of proportions, which is why I'm at least ready for a more substantial ABC correction as per the yellow scenario, in which we had an A wave down. This here now could be a B wave rally. As you can see here, A, B, C in circle B, and then a C wave down could follow from there. If this is an ABC rally, then we would call that a flat correction, and the C wave should reach the area between $16.65 and $19.89. From up there, we should see a C wave down into the lower support region, targeting $6.90 to $12.79. But possibly then, because this would be a C wave down, probably more in this middle area, you know, the area in the middle between 1068 and 892. It is possible that in the white scenario, we are just getting one more low, that's it. I would very much prefer that, because it would lead to a very, you know, quick completion of this correction. You know, we would just get rid of this, we would complete this correction and that's it, you know, one more low. But the sideways structure is very ambiguous. For example, you can make a case for a C wave down in an ending diagonal, in which we get one more low in wave C. Or wave 4 is unfolding as a triangle, which is valid as long as we are holding below the 21st of April low, which was here formed at $16.40. So yeah, multiple options here. I think it's just simply a matter of accumulating in the support area for anybody who wants to use that setup. If there is a nice B wave rally, that could even be used to take some profits, and then accumulation could be done again in the C wave decline. It's just very boring at the moment. You could also try to trade the shorter range, you know, the smaller range there, if you are bored. But then it might be easier just to have a grid bot run that prints you some tether. That's my update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.